Withdraw money from Bybit to mobile money. So how to withdraw money from Bybit to mobile money? It's easy and simple. Now, first of all, open your Bybit app and make sure to log into your account. Now, first of all, we need to withdraw money from Bybit to bank account first. Now, how to do that? It's by tapping on P2P trading option. And now after that, tap on sell. And now as you can see, select your bank by tapping on all payment methods. And as you can see here, you can select your bank. For example, I will use the Zelle. So after you select your bank, what you need to do is just tap on confirm. And after that, select the provider that you want to sell your token to. It's by tapping on sell next to that provider. And after that, as you can see, you can type the amount that you want to sell. And now add the payment method from here by provide your account number and bank branch and bank name. So after you receive your money to that bank account, you can now transfer from your bank account to your mobile money. So this is how to withdraw money from Bybit to mobile money. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.